Move back, move back. Welcome back. We're out here in Milan. They're over here. Yeah, that is a huge tree in there. Huge tree. Yeah, our bug spray's not even working. Oh, yeah, there's a whole bunch left. This is pretty. Little garden area. Is that part of the dam? Wow, that looks pretty. I wonder what kind of berries those are. We're doing it. This is our first episode with our new magnet. This one has up to 1,700 pounds of like pulling weight. I'm gonna set these waters down.
I'm afraid I'm gonna lose it.
Right. Alright, are you about to go in? Wow.
I'll tell you, it's
Ricky said, oh no, don't fall
not
off.
very deep, but there's a lot of mud because it sunk as soon as it hit.
Yeah.
Because it's so heavy. So, we got the spillway here, the dam out there, and a little canal up top, but we don't really want to go out to the dam because that's for the big boys with the waders. It's a little dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And Dad and Ethan are out there fishing.
There we go.
Out on the dam.
It is really beautiful.
As soon as we got
A treat.
this, we fished for a day and a half, getting our other bag.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys already watched that episode, so man. As soon as I turned off the camera, like he threw the magnet and it wasn't attached and it just all went into the river. And as you can see, they got it back. We have our small magnet back because we just had got the big one that day. We didn't want to use it on that day because we were still waiting for the Loctite to fully go, but I mean it had been sitting on it for a few hours. So
6, maybe 8.
yeah, for the Loctite. It's supposed to go 24, but whatever. We were trying to fish it out. We were trying to fish out our old magnet as soon as possible. Otherwise, it was just going to move with the current. But they got it back. They got it back.
If it wasn't for the flood and didn't have that much debris, all those trees in the water, it would have never got wrapped up in the trees and we would have never found it.
Yeah, it got seriously wrapped up in the trees.
Come on, you can't see into these muddy Mississippi waters.
Mm-hmm.
The river. Muddy
Like the
Mississippi
whole
river.
rope from the smaller magnet got wrapped in. So Corey is my little cousin, and he's using the smaller one here. And my mom has our big magnet, the new one. She has it tied down over here.
says Steel Cloud Dam.
Yeah.
Steel Cloud Rock. I don't know what's I'll search that.
Let's see. We'll be about to pull in. I'm coming behind you here. So where are they at? Where are my dad and Ethan at? Fishing? Oh, you didn't see him? It's a huge tree. 2 of them, I guess, that washed up on the dam.
Is that a person?
Right there? Oh, is that people? I don't know. I think that's a log or something. I don't know, Bella. Buoys?
Yeah. I think those were buoys saying that this is coming.
Oh, okay. Oh, what do we get? You might have something on the bottom of it, so you always want to pull it up. So you might have nails or something on the bottom or something smaller.
Like batteries.
Yeah, like batteries. Something that's hiding under it. Wow. Well, it sounds absolutely beautiful here. There's a whole lot of current in this mother trucker. I'll keep you guys updated here, but this sounds absolutely beautiful with the dam behind us. I actually want to take a few photos, so I'm gonna set my camera down for a second. What? That's as long as it goes. Yeah, it's already tight as it can go. So I turned off the camera just a second ago. Oh, we're stuck in the tree, dude.
No, it's not stuck.
Okay.
I got me a tree monster.
Ah. Yeah, we're stuck in the tree limb here. Well, luckily it's not too big. And we can get unstuck,
You know what's
hopefully.
going on? There's a lot of fishing wire down there. See it?
Oh yeah, there is a lot of line. Don't want to get caught up here. I'm gonna wait for her to move.
We pulled the fishing wire out. Ooh, this is heavy.
I'm sorry, I don't have an extra hand. Ricky, can you help her? I think that you got it off there.
Oh, it's almost.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
be careful.
Oh, it's caught in there.
Look, there's another
Oh, you got it.
another hook.
Oh,
It looks like that hook might be done for though.
The hook.
Yeah,
Hook's
it's done
definitely
for.
done for. We'll take the wire fishing line off of this, throw it away, leave the trees back there. Let me go that way.
That thing just float up.
No, she pulled it up.
With the magnet go?
It got stuck in the rope. Yeah,
Whole tree?
it got snagged in one of like the little parts of it. First find of the day.
And I did get a hook on here.
Yeah, she did get a
One-
hook.
No, a little.
Oh, a different hook.
I thought there was a treble hook in there. But no, just
No.
that little thing, and that's pretty rusty. We'll throw it all away.
I was taking some pictures on my phone and she pulled up this tree and it's
This one's
connected
pretty
to
good. We got
a
a
weight
weight.
here. Yeah.
We got a treble hook, because a lot of people are, fishing for catfish out here.
But it is getting caught on a lot of, wire, fishing line and sticks.
And I'm going to have my husband take that one apart.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah, this one's a little hard, but it's okay. I got on these good brute magnet, gloves.
Gloves,
If y'all
yeah.
want to send me a free magnet, I would totally take it.
We'll use it. This is our new one. This is her. Wow. Just walks off. Boop. Oh, what? Are you on another?
Picked up something, felt like like, I don't know, gunish.
Oh my gosh. Ah! Yeah, we found a tree.
Okay, there's something right here, Em. This is what I was saying earlier. And I picked it up once or twice.
Yeah,
I'm standing it up right now.
it's a tree.
And I think it might fall off. No, it's something magnetic. It fell off. This isn't real deep here, so that's why when I dropped it like that, that's why it splashed so much. See that? See those bubbles I'm going?
Yeah.
There's something sticking on again, but it's gonna be too heavy. I'm moving it, but it's just too heavy. Too heavy for the 1700 pounder. Unless it's stuck in the mud.
Yeah. It is kind of heavy.
Nope, you're fine. You're fine. This don't feel safe.
Cool.
When you zoom out, it's all about it. It's a long strip though. All that.
Yeah, it's at least like 10 pounds or something. At least I think it's about at least 10 pounds, right? What do you think it weighs?
Well, it takes my wrist, but
Maybe like 10 pounds or something?
it's hard to tell.
Yeah,
I pick up heavy stuff all day. I have no idea.
yeah.
I really don't know. Wish I could guess. You know, fish scale. They'll probably snap the fish scale.
Oh my gosh.
Give her a zing, Rick. Just don't lose your footing.
Oh,
That's ringing.
ringing.
Oh, it's like vibrating. It's weird.
Oh, you're stuck on a fishing line. And it's going to be on a tree. Ooh, okay, well, at least you broke off the line, I guess. But yeah, that's connected to a tree out there, I'm assuming.
So kind of what she just did a little bit ago.
Yeah.
Try and touch it.
We're going to give you some more slack here. Let's run the stream.
We're going to move our location here. Yeah, be careful. Don't go in that tree if you don't need to.
Oh, flag on a tree? That big dog tree maybe?
I don't know. That looks like a whole thing of poison ivy. Oh my gosh. Well, guess that's what we're doing.
Oh yeah, we're going to get some distance now.
Okay, let me get out of the way because now I'm behind the rope.
Got a big stack here, but I got a tree.
You got this tied in?
To a tree.
Something, anything. I'm afraid.
Yeah.
Afraid for him.
Yeah, I just got it into a tree.
Feels really muddy along the edge. Hardly any rocks, but out in the middle, there's some potential out there. It's how far can the murderer throw the weapon? You know, he's a murderer, so he's motivated. He's got to get rid of the weapon, so he may get some distance on it. I'm not anticipating any human can throw a gun over 50 yards, right? We'll give him 50 yards. Even if it was Tom Brady, right?
I want old historical things, not weapons. Not weapons. I want tools and
Really, yeah.
coins.
Historical artifacts.
Yes,
Civil
that's what
War
I want.
era.
Oh, look at those.
How about-
They were in the dam though.
Black Hawk War era, right? The
What you got?
Oh, we got a fine guy. Oh my goodness!
It's
It's
All right.
a drywall screw.
Keep going. Keep
a
going.
nail.
Putting it away. For the trash.
Up towards the dam a little bit more. Going up through the potential danger zone. Oh, that felt. Did that look good? Because it felt good.
Hopefully,
Let's see.
it is good coming back up here.
Oh, big old whopper on the line.
Yeah, the current is pretty rough here.
I wonder how you get to the other side. You might go.
Oh, we're dragging
that's a road
something.
right there.
A tree,
We're
probably.
actively dragging something.
Probably a tree or something. Are we in a tree?
A big move. It stood up, and I think it dug into the mud.
Well, it's moving
Confident we can
slightly.
get it, though. What's the trick? Tell me, guys. Are you OG magnet fishermen? What is it? The bounce? The tug? That would.
Think of the wrist.
We're slipping down the side of it. It's still connected.
Oh, look at that. Look at all the water over there. There's a big ripple in the water. I don't know if that's because of what you're dragging, but...
Jump down here.
No, you're not going to jump down there.
I can't pick it up from here. I gotta get down to get it. I'm gonna need the kitty claw.
Well, it looks like you're pulling it still.
Kitty claws.
Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a whole, like, grate. Oh, my God. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Oh, there we
Hold it,
go.
It's nice and steady. Kitty claw and gloves.
Yeah.
Got nothing.
It's a fence or
Flatlining
something.
over there. Kitty claw and gloves.
It's a big old grate. That's crazy. I bet you that's from the height someone
Gotta pull this in.
Gloves. Corey, don't drop them. Get them, don't go at them.
I want it all.
Oh, my
Y'all
gosh.
have it.
Yeah, move back, move back.
Wow.
A whole lot of stuff.
Ditch.
Yeah.
All right, can we get
Caution
clear?
tape
Up
fence.
and out. Get us a little more room.
All right, watch out, watch out.
We got lures. We got sinkers on there. 2 double-leg sinkers.
Yeah.
Caution tape.
That's a
We're gonna make
Right,
a little
right
house
here.
here.
Here's the money. Nylon line.
got some weight too.
2 salvageable weights.
Hey.
We got a clasp on there. We got a lighter.
Red hook.
Oh yeah.
This is a good one. Right here.
Woo, we got. Oh, check it out, Ab. We got another find. Ooh, that's some good line. So we got another one, Ab. What do we got?
Another hook. Red
A
hook.
red hook.
Another lighter down the
Oh,
hook.
yeah, it is red. A little tarnished, but it's
He'll
red.
get it off in a second here.
Here, yeah.
Ow.
Yeah. A little tarnished.
I stabbed myself
It
with
is red. You stabbed yourself.
it. Don't tell them.
What? Okay. Red hook. A whole part of the fence.
It's too big.
Trailer hitch of his truck, you know. They outlawed trailer
Can you
hitches.
hold them out a little bit away from you? We found this. And
So we
In
may
that
have
fence.
to split them. Corey gets one hog nut / egg sinker, and Ethan gets one hog nut / egg sinker on their own. Maybe they can acquire the other one, do some
But
bar.
yeah.
Corey has found this trouble hook, all bent up, along with an automatic sinker leader setup. I don't know. It doesn't look too rusty. I might trust it. We'll see. Go, Corey. Go. Get him. Get him, Corey.
well, I gotta be careful. I think I'll knock you out. Coming from swinging behind you.
What do you call this?
This place? Oh, magnet fishing. So use like the little magnet emoji and then like a fishing emoji. Yeah. You got something on there? Yeah, it looks like there's something on there. Yep, there's something.
Looks like it's tight.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, it broke off.
I got the grate about 10 feet off the wall.
That's crazy.
12 feet off the wall.
It feels like it's moving.
What?
Like,
What, you got into something?
I thought I'd have something around.
Oh yeah, looks like it's just coming back now. Oh, there's a hook. Right? There's a hook on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's a good hook. Here, we'll go set that back in our pile. You can give it to someone.
Ooh, rusty. We're gonna pitch that one. We're definitely not
Oh,
gonna
never
use
mind. Okay. Well, I thought it was good.
It. It's been down there since 1802.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty sure.
Ah! Yeah, that would suck to get your line stuck on that fence, so he pulled up. He threw it out like that way, and then that's where we were dragging it in. Something there again.
What you got? You got something big for him? Oh yeah. Take your time with it. You need a glove? Oh, you just want to get cuts on your hands? Alright. The good thing is we know where it goes.
Is it feeling like it's stuck?
Oh, might have been some.
I'm still on it.
You are?
Yeah, it's reconnected or
Yeah,
something.
reconnected, yeah.
Bouncing off the rocks or like keeps like sinking in the mud.
Okay. Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Well, be careful, yeah, just whenever you pull it back. Go into a tree. You might have something on there. You pull it back. Ah. And connected to something again. It looks like there's some tension on there.
I thought there was something on there, but it was red.
Yeah, it must have detached or something. Look at that bird. Nothing. Yeah. Some dirt and shit.
You said I have to throw it that way?
That's where he caught that thing at. Ooh. Yeah. This might be our last one here. It's getting pretty dark here. And the bugs are eating some of us up, so I think that we might be leaving here soon. What if we pull something else really cool out? But yeah, that definitely was our biggest find. That's for sure. It was a huge part of some type of fence.
Neighbor dude that got big old stand for it.
Yeah, I think that was it. Make sure there's nothing on there. Yep. All right, bye, Corey. Love you.
Yep, love you.
All right, guys. We're gonna land a real fish. This is ridiculous.
What do you mean it's ridiculous? We just caught a whole fence.
Whoop, over my husband's line. Oh, just kidding.
Oh my gosh.
You would.
Accident, my dear. Okay, there's whatever Corey was getting on. Let's see what I think.
You're back on it.
It came off pretty fast. It didn't stick back on like he said, so it might not have been the same thing, but it looked like it was about the spot.
We're about to be calling it here soon. It's the bugs, and it's getting dark, but we'll be out here for a few more.
A lot of mud on it. It's not really deep here.
Yeah, it's not too deep. You got a fish? Oh, you got
Oh, it's a stick
a
bass.
stick.
It's a stick bass. It might be a state record.
Oh, you got something? Looks like you're stuck on something. Oh, you're pulling it? Oh, I think I seen it pop off, unless it went back on it.
What? I know I had
You know
something.
what I love?
But
Tree. Look how big it is.
yeah, that tree.
The tree is beautiful. I mean, I love trees, and I know you do too. And it's huge.
Yeah.
We only have a few of those huge trees left around here.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
I wonder what it is. I wonder if it's like an oak tree, or I have no idea.
He was connecting to something over here, and it came off.
I gotta go to the tat spot, guys. I gotta get this tattoo done.
No.
Felt it grabbing though for sure. Something.
Okay. Yeah, it could be caught on
It just
something.
feels like really.
Don't let it detach.
I got him right here.
Yeah, there's something on there because it's not right up to
Oh.
the top. It's not.
Why is it flipping up now?
Yeah. Go slow. Oh, it just dropped. So go back down right where you were.
Yeah, I was standing something up on its side down there too. And you could feel it, but I was like, I don't know. Maybe it's still stuck under the mud a lot, Ricky.
Felt it right there. I know I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, you might want to walk back this way. Lots of bubbles.
It's dangling. Or it's just my hose.
I don't know.
Gusty's tip of the day. You're gonna steal leader and you're fishing for.
Look, he has
Oh my
something.
goodness! Oh, he has the whole
got
world.
Yeah,
He's got string around. Oh, we gotta help him.
he hooked into the stick here.
Fish claw.
Your
Yeah,
hands come in with the claw.
We're getting the fish claw here.
Mostly a tree though. That's funny. Waved around like Spider-Man.
Yeah, it's because the fishing line is caught and they rip it. Eat the chicken claw.
Bring up a whole forest from the bottom. Look at this find, Ricky. You have really outdone yourself.
What'd you call it? It's called stick bass.
Yeah, we got the bill. I think he's beat the state record stick bass, bro.
What is that? Oh, what's that?
What in the world? Oh, we
Got a
got
couple.
little.
What'd you call that? A little.
I got a feeling we may have multiple
What is that?
finds.
A little thing, a little fishy. I forgot what you call them. Lure. What they call
Let
them.
me
Oh, yeah.
come get the sausage.
No, look, there's one of those things. I think it's like a little metal, what is that? Or is that just a stick?
Watch your fingers,
What
maybe.
is that?
It's a couple hooks.
Yeah.
One lure, and it has an eye on it, one eye, and looks like just a bunch of trash.
Babe, will you get something to cut the string here?
This is a white twister tail. Coincidentally, almost what I'm running. This to be a theme. And we will clear the last little bit of particulate. Real environmentally friendly here.
Kids, stay away from forest fires.
Smokey the Bear.
Man, we got some monofilament on there. There we go, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna call that a success. We're gonna clean her up. Still got the paint on it. I'm gonna say that's less than a month old. That hook is not rusted. I will use that, and that is about $1 worth of lure. Let's see what else we got. You know, there's
That was the color I think right now.
clear the line.
Here you go. Tied up. Good tied up.
Oh, that's
I got a
okay.
hook. Nope.
Oh,
That's a
You got-
random- Oh, it's a string, yeah.
oh wait, no, you got. You just, yeah, you just got some string. Is something hooked on it? Oh, it's hooked onto here. Maybe it'll fall off this way. There you go, that way. Just right like this. Oh no, there you go.
Oh, we didn't need the lighter. Perfect.
Wow.
It's just hair. Or something like that. Seaweed.
That thing was flipping though, for sure. There ain't no way. It wasn't that. There ain't no way that hook was that flipping.
Oh, not daylight.
Felt it flipping, there ain't no way.
On it. Hook on it. Get on up and rip on it. Look at that big dragonfly. It looks like a helicopter.
Look, somebody commented on our last video, or that we just posted, like, at 6 tonight. A rad time.
Oh, the thing's huge.
You got something?
It's not stuff here, that's sliding.
You got something.
Oh, dude, it's flipping up.
Is it a tree? Oh, look, yeah, there's ripples in the water back here. Oh, yep.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah, be careful whenever you pull it back.
I know where it's at. It's over there. I gotta pull it right back in there.
You know where it's at.
I know exactly where it is. It was huge. It was lodged up and everything. Come on, right back here. Right here. I'm not going home without that. I need that treasure chest.
The treasure chest. Yeah, we only got like less than 5 minutes here of daylight.
This is it. This is it.
Michael Jackson, this is it. Vamos. Oh.
Final countdown. Clearly right.
I'm getting 8 up now. I'm about to be done. I'm about to be calling it a day because I'm getting 8 up. And obviously the sun's going down.
It's hard to get boys away from the river.
Yeah, especially whenever they find things like this.
One more throw. Just one more cast. He said big day.
Epic fight down the fairway.
I'm fighting the bugs, y'all. I can't
We
do
need to
it.
Go home and drink coffee.
Coffee. All right, Ricky, this is your last one. I can't fight these bugs any longer.
He's got the fishing bug now. I'm telling you, he's gonna do the one more cast thing. It's gonna be one more cast for. I'm telling you, he's got the bug. Whether it's magnet fishing or real fishing, you can catch it. It's real.
Now what we got right now is the mosquitoes eating us. We
Uh-huh.
got to go.
Yeah, I'm sitting here freaking grabbing on my leg.
I'm jogging in place.
Yeah, and we should not be
Now
jogging in
walk
place.
down.
Grab that off the tree, Dad. I don't know. You gotta disconnect it.
You gotta leave the treasure for the next pirate.
Leave the treasure for the next pirate. Yep.
One water.
That is the end. Oh my gosh. But that's the end of our episode today. The bugs are killing me. Thank y'all for watching. Bye, y'all. See you next time.